Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage? Spotted this, caught my eye because it was flashy lights, laser pegs, lighted construction kits. What, laser pegs? Tractor. It's a tractor. Oh yeah. Okay. 29 pieces, build and rebuild, imagine and create. The world's only lighted construction kit. Dr. Toy winner. Batteries not included. Imported to the UK by Create Leisure. That's out of focus, isn't it? There we go. www.laserpegs.com. US patent. Okay, will it open? Oh, should have got me tray out, shouldn't I? No instructions in there. That's a shame. Choking hazard for small children. Do not submerge in water. Okay, well, I'm guessing those are the wheels. You can see there's an LED in there. I guess, yeah, they plug into each other. Yeah, plug, socket. Can we work out how that one looked? Got batteries in there. Remove all batteries before plugging unit into wall. Plugging it into the wall. They're not rechargeable batteries. I'll just have to sort of guess it from that picture, won't I? Right, that piece looks like that piece. Now let's zoom out a bit, you can't see what I'm doing. Right, you can see what I'm doing now. So that piece looks like that piece. I'm guessing that piece goes on there. That sort of makes sense. Need something to go on there that we can have. Sort of looks right. Somehow something's got to come down and underneath. That looks like that's going to go over there like that. We'll need another piece on that side. Okay. That looks like that bit. Ah, right. Now I see that. It's standing up on that somehow. Right, what have we got left? Okay. So that's going to be... That's not going to be like that. It's got to be like that. It's beginning to make some sort of sense. Okay. That can't be quite right. We haven't used all the pieces. But it does light up. Okay. Yeah, I seem to be short of a couple of pieces somehow. But it does light up. Let's change the camera angle a bit. Yes, we've got pretty coloured LEDs. Yes, it looks vaguely like a tractor. I think there's a couple of bits that I haven't made use of. Doesn't want to fit in there. Okay, well, I'm going to have to study the picture a bit more, see if I can figure out where those last couple of bits go. Yeah, okay, well, yeah, it does what it says on the box. It lights up, but we could have done with the instructions, just to figure out what I haven't got right. There's something I haven't got right there. Well, I played around with it and eventually managed to make a pattern where they all stick together, all the pieces are in use. For 49 pence. I'm very happy with that. Oh, it's just a novelty. It's a bit of fun. And that's all it does. It just lights up once you put it together. I mean, not that the wheels touch the floor, but you have got steering. Yeah. Oh, I'm really pleased with that. Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel, and down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.